We finally got a bullish weekly close for Bitcoin, and this weekend meme coins were popping off like crazy. But shortly after that, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a lot of the crypto market decided to dump. And analysts suggest this is because of the Fed. Well, not necessarily the Fed, but Powell had a speech today, and he talked about what we can expect with interest rates. I'm WendyO. I talk everything crypto every day, especially Bitcoin price, meme coins, all of that stuff. Make sure you are subscribed with alerts set. Smash a like and also let me know in the comments. Do you think this Bitcoin pullback has to do with interest rates or Powell's speech? I'm curious, but let's go ahead and get into it. So yesterday, Bitcoin closed above $65,000 and now we're trading at like $62,000. Same with Ethereum. Ethereum closed at $2,600, but now we're trading back around $2,500, and that area of support is super crucial. So we all know that we are going to get a decrease in interest rates, and friendly reminder, anytime you modify interest rates, that could trigger inflation. Inflation is transitory, which means that you can modify interest rates if you raise them, if you lower them, but cost of goods and services cannot be modified. And eventually, over time, your buying power for the US dollar decreases. And that's why Bitcoin is such a great asset. And in Powell's meeting, he said that the Fed is not in any hurry to modify interest rates, but they will decrease them over time. And that they may be lowering interest rates by 50 BPS. So 2 additional cuts. He also says the Fed is not on any preset course and that the economy is on solid footing, which supports further ease of inflation pressure, which we all know is a bunch of BS. And that the Fed is moving towards a more neutral policy. Also, too, these rate cuts are going to be the first rate cut since 2020. And that further cooling is not necessary to achieve the 2% inflation target. And according to Bloomberg, inflation has been stable, which is absolutely crazy. I don't know about you guys, but literally like 2 weeks ago, I noticed the vast increase in prices for basic necessities like food. So anyways, the bottom line is investors think that rates will decrease by 75 BPS this year, and that larger cuts are expected in November and December. So basically, the entire market's freaking out and things will eventually calm down. But the moral of the story is that when it comes to the Fed and their choices, we can't expect them to do the right thing. And we can't even expect them to understand what's happening in America for the average people. And I also think that they're waiting until election season to really make drastic changes. Either way, stay diligent. Don't worry too much about this dip. And you got this. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.